Lesson 5, Food and Drinks. Here are the vocabulary words. Pizza, pizza, eggs, eggs, cheese, cheese, Neapolitan pizza, Neapolitan pizza, classic flavor. Pizza margarita, pizza margarita, more tomato and mozzarella. Burgers, chips, tuna, chicken, mayonnaise, tomato, apple pie with cream, fruit salad, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, ice cream, red wine, white wine, bottle, glass, coffee, orange juice, tea, salty, spicy, crunchy, juicy, oily, sweet, creamy, bitter, delicious, yummy, tasty, mouth-watering. That's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.